Hi everyone. So first of all, my name is Abdul Rauf, and in this video, we'll talk about parts of a website. So basically, a simple website or a typical website, both website contain the basic parts like a navbar. It is a navigation bar, provide links for the user to navigate through different sections or pages. So basically, we have buttons too. They interact with the user, like when we click and when we hover. There is some hover effects or whenever we click that button we want to when we want to submit some data some form or other stuff like that we can use the button there. Okay, then we have the sections like the specific parts in specific parts in a website. For example, we have the neighbor, this is an extra section. Then we have the header, the place where we put headings. And then we have the middle part where we provide the main content. And then there are other sections too, like footer and etc. So these are the sections in a website. Then we have the background. Background is like the background of an website. For example, we have background image or background color or background gradient in the background of a website. Okay, this is known as the background. Then we have the responsiveness. For example, when we develop our website, it is very good on a laptop. It is not very good on the mobile. This is known as the uh, null responsiveness or very low responsiveness. That's why we want to use the responsive text to make our website more smoothly on different screens like laptop, tab, or mobile phones. Okay, then we have the footer, that is the last section of an website with links and other stuff like copyright details. Okay, so now let's see each part in detail. So first we have the navbar. So basically, navbar is present at the top of the website. Now you can see on the right, you can see I created some visualization here, and you can see the home. This is the home. There is the bed. This is the tour. This is the more. These are the anchor text in the navbar or buttons, you can say. So on the left side, you can see I create a website in my internship with the iCreates, where you can see I create a similar at top. You can see home, band, tour, contact, or more. This more has a drop down option too. So now let's see some example of this in a video. So here you can see a video where you can see I'm hovering over these navbars anchor text, and here you can see in the more you can see a drop down which will drop down when we hover here. So this is known as a simple navbar. Okay, so after that we can see the buttons too. Buttons are like these. There you can see summon button, which you can when we hover over, it will change color based on the user preferences. Okay, so I added the hover feature here too. So basically, here on the left side you can see a website where you can see a button. This is the form like name, email, message. After filling all the details here, you can send it by clicking the send button. Okay, this is the button where we can add hover if we want, or if we do not want, we can increase the size too when we hover over. Whatever effect you like, you can do. Okay, so now let's see an example of buttons too. So here you can see in a video buttons example. Here you can just hold out also like look like a buttons, but they are not buttons. But I try to make them hover effects. Here you can see this is the buy ticket button, and this is the button two. And after that, you can see if here, and first I am filling the form. Okay, so first I will fill the form, then I will click the send button. There you can see first I'm filling the name, then I'm filling the email, and then I'm writing something in the message, and then send. Okay, so there you can see here it is submitting. And after clicking the button, it will go back and send the message based on the back end you develop. Okay, then the front end we can only click the button, and then other stuff will be covered by the back end user or back end developer. Okay, so after that, now let's see some sections. Sections are like the sections I already tell, which are the parts of the website. For example, the neighbor is a section, header is a section where we put headings, and then the content where is the main content, and then the footers, and then the some etc. So you can see I also brought the website. In the left side you can see my website where you can see this is the header section, this is the band section, this is the content section. I can name any I can name as much section as I want. Okay, so now you can see in the video example, first this is the section one, and then band the section two where you can find the albums, and then find the tour dates. This is the section tour dates, and then the contact section, and then finally the footer section where you find the links. Okay, this is the sections in the website. Okay, so after that, you can see a footer. Two footer is like the end of the website. For example, here you can find where you put the links. Now you can see this is the footer where I provide the links like the images where you can click where Facebook to go to Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, Pinterest, and then Twitter and LinkedIn. Okay, so here you can see part where of company I provide. You can also provide the copyright here too. So this is the footer. Okay. So after that, now let's see some responsiveness. So responsiveness is like your website look very good on laptop, like here you can see the website is very cool on the laptop, but if we turn into the mobile, then it will go like this. This is also good because it is also responsiveness on the screen it is on. Okay, so basically you can see I provide on the left side, you can see my on my laptop and on my mobile, the website is still looking very good. That's not the responsiveness. So now let's see an example of this. Here you can see an example of this, first on the laptop, and then after you decrease the screen, it is now on mobile and it is still responsiveness. Okay, this is not the responsiveness of our website. So yeah, this was the basic sections. There are other sections too, like the form, the class, the card, the division, other stuff like that. But the basic part, the most basic parts are these. So basically, in the next video, I will build a website using the code HTML, CSS, or the library like Bootstrap to build the same website like I built here. So yeah, stay tuned for that, and thanks for watching this video. Thanks and bye.